Okay, so you guys know that one t-shirt that's in your closet and you love it, but you end up styling it the exact same way 500 different times? I'm guilty of that too. Today we're gonna give her a little bit of a glow up moment. We're gonna do 5 different vibes, 5 completely different looks. Trust me, you're never gonna look at your closet the same way again. Let me show you how, with just a little bit of styling magic. Here is look number 1. This is for comfy, casual coffee date vibes. I did the plain white tee, obviously, with a little mini skirt that's kind of similar to gray athletic shorts, and I paired it with a sweatshirt that you can tie different ways, and just a plain black bag. And just for the chill vibes, I did some sambas with some tall socks to give it a little bit more of a sporty look. Also gave it some sunglasses for just a little bit more of a chic touch. Okay, so coffee run was super cute and casual, but what if she has a 9 to 5 and a meeting in 10 minutes?
Let's go.
Look 2 is going to be for all my corporate baddies out there. Now, when you're pairing a white tee with a corporate sort of bottom, I love to do a print. It just really makes it more interesting and kind of less boring and monotonous. I did these cool zebra print pants with a little black short sleeve blazer over it. I love this little thing. I thrifted it and it's awesome. Then I just paired it with some pointed toe black pumps that are great, and some jewelry, accessories, and a thin little belt just to make it look a little bit more polished. Okay, so now we've clocked off and we are going to Saturday brunch with the girls and maybe even a farmer's market. Alright, some of you guys might not like this one, but look number 3 is for brunchy weekend vibes. I went for a very whimsical sort of thing, so it's more boho. I did all white, which I think is a good sort of weekend daytime look for this, and flowy skirts like this are very in right now. And then I just paired it with a brown belt and some brown shoes, and then all gold accessories and a sort of big gold bag. Also, to give the look some color, I wore this neon lace bra underneath just so it could peek through and sort of add some interest to the outfit as well. Okay, we've done cute, we've done casual, we've done professional, and now we're gonna get into some date night glam energy. This is look number 4. I absolutely love this look, even if it seems a little bit basic. It's just super chic and effortless. I love this black skirt. It's a great length for this kind of top, and then I paired a black bra underneath it to match with the skirt, and you can kind of see through it, so it's really kind of sexy and effortless for a date night. And I paired this with gold accessories. I did some diamond studded dangly earrings and some fun printed heels, since the look is very sort of color blocked, and I added the gold purse for some sparkle as well. I also added a little bit more of a bold lip to this one just for some extra color. I'll show my shoes in a second. They are vintage Dolce & Gabbana, and I'm obsessed with them. They are this sort of tiger print, and they would be so cute for a date night. And for the final look, we're gonna give cool girl, model off-duty vibes, very much effortless, cool girl chic. And finally, look number 5, this is the model off-duty. It's your very typical sort of basic outfit, but with some elements added to it to make it more special to you and unique. So I added this printed multicolor metallic jacket, sort of motorcycle jacket for that kind of effortless vibe. And then I did a metallic belt to go with it, and then the shoes are a fun little kitten heel that have some chain accessories on them to give it a little bit more of an edge. And I figured with this sort of outfit, just did a little mini clutch that would be easy to carry around when you're just out and about, kind of like a city girl vibe. This one is more of a street style vibe with the slouchy jean and the belt, so I really love this one. So those were 5 different inspo looks you can use to spice up your plain white tee basic outfit. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments because I want to know what vibes you're going for. And don't forget to hit the like button if you're into the one shirt, many different lives vibe. This is great for if you're building a capsule wardrobe or just wanting to be more minimal with your shopping, and maybe you're traveling and you want to pack one shirt for a bunch of different outfits. This is great for all of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.